As each affirmation appears on screen, repeat it out loud or in your mind. Embrace the words and let them resonate within you. I am stronger than my challenges. This moment is molding me for the better. Hope lights my path through darkness. My spirit is unbreakable. Tomorrow holds infinite possibilities. I find strength in my struggles. Resilience flows through me. Each step forward is a victory. My courage outshines my fears. I am a warrior, not a warrior. Growth sprouts from adversity. I am my own anchor in the storm. Light emerges from my soul. I possess the power to overcome. My journey reflects my bravery. I choose to rise, not fall. My heart is a beacon of perseverance. Every challenge is a lesson. I am equipped to thrive. Strength comes me. I turn obstacles into opportunities. Peace is my chosen response. My resolve is steadfast. I nurture my inner sanctuary. I am a force of nature. My will is unyielding. I craft my destiny with courage. Each day is a fresh start. I am defined by my resilience. Hope is my guiding star. I face Face the unknown with bravery. My potential is limitless. I am sculpted through my trials. Adversity enhances my strength. I am a phoenix reborn from ashes. Challenges are my catalysts for growth. I embrace life with open arms. My spirit soars above turmoil. I am the master of my fate. I conquer my fears with courage. Each moment is ripe with potential. I am a beacon of hope and strength. My resolve fortifies with each challenge. I draw power from my trials. My journey is paved with perseverance. I am unstoppable. Wisdom is born from my struggles. I am a vessel of peace and resilience. My inner light dims all fears. I radiate positivity. I am a survivor, enduring and thriving. My challenges fuel my growth. I am boundless. Each day, I grow stronger. I am a testament to courage. My spirit is indomitable. I find serenity in turmoil. My resilience is my superpower. I am a warrior of light. I emerge victorious from my battles. Each struggle is a step forward. My heart beats with courage. creativity. My path is guided by hope. I am fearless in the face of adversity. My challenges shape me into a stronger self. I am anchored in my resolve. I find strength in silence. My courage knows no bounds. I am the architect of my happiness. Each day brings new strength. I embrace my journey with an open heart. I am invincible. My spirit transcends difficulties. I thrive amidst challenges. My inner strength is invulnerable. I am a beacon of courage and resilience. I navigate storms with grace. My willpower is unbreakable. I am a catalyst for positive change. Each obstacle enhances my resolve. I am fortified by adversity. My essence is strength and perseverance. I am a harbinger of hope. Each challenge is an opportunity for growth. I am composed in the chaos. My spirit is a fortress. I draw strength from within. My resilience is my badge of honor. I am a warrior molded by challenges.